Hey guys, salut, this is Alex, so a super short yet super important video today. Do you remember that a while back I was nominated for the Shorty Awards and I asked you guys to help me, win this stuff? Well, thanks to this move I got to be a finalist, and then after an unexpected turn of event, this happened. The 11th annual Shorty Awards, Best in Food, Alex, French Guy Cooking. Dun, 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 dun. I got this award last week in New York City. Here's the footage.
Okay, and the Shorty goes to Alex, French Cooking Guy. French Guy Cooking, Alex, French Guy Cooking. Je regrette. Bonjour. Bonjour, ça va. Bonjour. Bonsoir, monsieur. Congratulations.
Whoa. I'm surprised, but I'm super thankful, guys, for this. I want to thank my community. I want to thank all the people who have believed in this French guy. I hope you guys understand this thick of a French accent. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. Well, basically, I just wanted to add a few things on top of what I said on stage, which was almost nothing. Now, in my defense, I was very nervous, obviously, but I also was super surprised, and here's the reason why. Even among the nominees, there were like big names, like there was David Chang, Matthew Madison, and then among the finalists, there was Brad Leone from Bon Appetit, there was Mangshi, the amazing Korean food channel, there was Mike Chen from Strictly Dumpling. I mean, they were all just massive YouTube channel, and then there was me. I'm feeling very humbled, just being surrounded by those amazing individuals. And of course, I feel thankful. I feel thankful for your love and for your support all along these years. It's been 6 years now. 6 years! I'm an old dude. And finally, and I would lie if I were to say otherwise, I'm not taking this for granted. I'm super excited for the things to come, like more challenges, more experiment, more discoveries, more adventures, and probably down the line, more mistakes. I swear to God, if I break this, I'm gonna kick myself in the butt. That's it, guys. I think at the moment, YouTube is super exciting when it comes to content, and especially food content. I hope you're enjoying the moment as well. I'll catch up with you on Saturday. Bye-bye. Salut. One, two.